right. I hope that everybody is out there spending their, if you're an American, happy belated Thanksgiving, no matter where you are in the world. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, New Year's, whatever else is out there.
It's everything.
Everything.
What makes it special, not only are you with family, friends, you're making moments, but it's also the deals.
All right, so we're not going to make this video super long, but if you're like us, you kind of do all your annual subscriptions when it comes to Thanksgiving weekend. You do all your shopping for your family and friends. This is just sort of a chance for us to save a bit of money on the things that we know we're going to need, plus buy some things that we know we want. Because truthfully, most brands have their greatest sales around this time of year.
Yeah, so we're going to go through our entire list. If at any point you want to go down to the description, you can see all the links there, or we actually put everything together in a big list. We'll make sure the links are down below. That way you can see everything all at once. And if you're interested in any of the tools that we use to run our business or how do we create videos, we actually made a free little course. The link will be down below if you want to sign up for that.
Yeah, so we're going to divide it up in two different sections. The first is travel. So travel deals that we're looking at getting, some things that we would get for our fellow travel friends this year. And then the second category is going to be content creation / tech. Because that's sort of, it all sort of flows together. This is stuff that, our lives are pretty much consumed by travel. And then as content creators, we also have a lot of tech and creative gear thrown in there. So this is going to be gear, fun things, subscriptions, all sorts of good things that are happening that we are excited about. So let's just get to it. Travel first.
One of the first tools is going.com. It's actually a free email subscription, but then you can upgrade to the premium or elite, whatever it is.
Yeah, and we actually just did this recently, so we are on the premium list, and already we have seen some amazing deals. In fact, I saw one for Atlanta to all different places in Scandinavia in business class for $700 round trip in March, which is pretty good. So if you don't know Going, it also used to be Scotch Cheap Flights. Maybe you're familiar with that, but their annual plans are up to 50% off.
Then if you like hiking, All Trails is available too. We use All Trails when we're out hiking somewhere out in the wilderness.
And theirs is 50% off their annual subscription too.
If you ever go through the airport, you'll see a sign that says clear. And those are really special people. Not really, they just bought the subscription, whatever program it is.
Yeah, it's kind of like TSA PreCheck, but another step further. Truthfully, we don't have Clear yet because we've just always had PreCheck, but check to see if it comes with any of your credit cards. A lot of times credit cards will give you reimbursement, but if you don't have that and you travel a lot, Clear may be a good thing for you just to get through security faster. So check that out. You can save up to $80 on your subscription. I think it's good for 5 years. Yeah. Multiple years. It's not just an annual thing. Another recent add to our travel bags is I finally got a good neck pillow. I used to always judge the people on planes with neck pillows. They're game changing. Just get a neck pillow. I have the turtle one. I love it. My only qualm with it is I can't wear my big noise canceling headphones with it because you lean your neck on it. I look ridiculous. I look like I'm in a neck brace when I'm on the plane, but love that pillow. It's the only way I've been able to sleep on planes.
Another cool thing is this travel blanket that is not just a travel blanket. It's a blanket, but then it can be a scarf, and then it can be a bag. It can be like 80 different things in one. It's pretty amazing.
I think it's 16, but anyway, it's a really cool blanket, and I always get cold on planes, and it packs really nice and small, so I can put that right into my bag along with my neck pillow. One other thing I want to mention is headphones, noise canceling headphones. I do not travel on a plane without my good noise canceling headphones. I actually travel with two different pairs. One are my Sonys. I have Sony over-ear noise canceling headphones, which are awesome and super comfortable. But if I'm using my neck pillow, I also have AirPod Pros, and those do a good job noise canceling too. Not as good as the Sonys, but they are smaller. So I always travel with both of those on a plane. So when we're doing a lot of our travel outdoor gear shopping, a lot of times we shop from places like REI, Backcountry. A lot of these individual places are having really good sales throughout the next month, but one of them is Backcountry, up to 50% off, plus daily deals happening. And I've already snagged a bike helmet out there this week. So there are some really good deals. While we shop REI a lot because we love their return policy and you get your 10% dividend back, Backcountry, on the other hand, has a larger selection than REI does. So if REI doesn't have it, go to Backcountry.
One of our favorite brands is Cotopaxi. They're doing up to 25% off. They have a lot of t-shirts, backpacks, pretty much anything you want. They do good. I like them as a company.
Yeah, and they're really colorful and fun. That's how people know Cotopaxi is they're just really colorful and good outdoor gear, but fun colors. Mm-hmm. And one of their deals right now is spend $150, get a free Cubo packing cube. And we use packing cubes all the time. I don't personally have their packing cubes, but I could only imagine they're cooler looking than the ones that we have. Cotopaxi's great. Oh, this is one of my favorite newer brands, Wild Rye. I'm a cyclist and also I'm an avid overall wearer, and I found Wild Rye over the summer when I was shopping for clothes for RAGBRAI, and they are a women-owned cycling clothes, also snow sport clothes company. They are having 25% off site-wide. They are doing all sorts of deals. Actually, I think today and through the weekend, they're even doing like spend $200, get another $50 off on top of the 25% off. Really good deals. But my absolute favorite overalls are from Wild Ride. They're the yellow ones that I wear all the time. They're stretchy. They are incredibly comfortable, and they're made to be so comfortable that you can go biking in them. Check those out.
We've been traveling for the last 9 months in Mexico and have never been sick from the water. And that is all thanks to Guzzle H2O, and they're having 15% off.
And all of our other trips in Mexico, we've gotten sick multiple times, but because all of our water, including our shower, our kitchen, everything is filtered through this, we have not gotten sick. Guzzle H2O, we have 2 different filters. We have the onboard Stealth Flex 2, and that does UV filtration and also sediment filtration. And then we also have the overlanding one that comes in like this little Pelican type case. So we can fill it from any freshwater source. So ponds, rivers, puddles. It does an amazing job filtering
Pretty
water.
cool.
So even in a tight spot, if we're way off the grid and there's a thing of water, we can fill up. But they have literally saved our stomachs.
Yeah, go buy it.
A couple of other travel suggestions that we like to recommend for people. These are gifts that we are either giving or have given to family and friends who travel a lot, but gift cards. Gift cards are a really great, easy thing for people like us who call themselves minimalists.
Or digital nomads.
Or digital nomads. Maybe you're on the go. You don't have a lot of room to store stuff. Our house is very tiny. Our truck is very tiny. Gift cards to things like favorite airlines or hotel chains. All of that is really great because you know it's going to be used. Another thing, this is one that my sister got me last year. Absolutely love it. Is a great toiletry bag. And then in the toiletry bag, she stuffed it with some of my favorite mini sizes of cosmetics from Sephora. So girls out there, that's a great recommendation. Go to Sephora, get all the mini sizes, and then fill the cosmetic bag up. It's great on a plane. Oh, another thing to put in our travel and adventure section, our Garmin watches. They actually just came out with the new Garmin Fenix 8. Ours is the 7S. Love this watch, but because they came out with a new one, ours is on sale. This is a really awesome watch, multi-sport watch. We use it for cycling, running, hiking, GPS.
Mine has solar panel.
It does have a little solar charging on it. Yeah. Not super quick, but it is nice if you're on like a sunny run. It gets a little extra battery.
Yeah. Our favorite alarm clock is on sale. It's called Hatch.
I know that sounds crazy. I have a favorite alarm clock, but I'm a morning person who doesn't like to be woken up. But the Hatch wakes you up naturally with light and with like nature sound. So it's a very gradually, you can set it. I have it set for like a 30-minute sunrise, and it slowly brightens up across like the different colors of sunrise. Really cool. But that's on sale right now if you want that. Psychologically, it helps me have a better start to my day.
Yeah.
Next coming up is stuff for creators and all things tech. So this all kind of blends together just because we're creators who travel. So things like headphones are in this list also. We already mentioned those, but we'll mention them again. Camera gear, travel tripods,
electronics,
it's just all sorts of things.
So we're going to go through this fast. First up, this is a great time to like really get hard drives or SD cards. One of the hard drives that we absolutely love for traveling, it's the Samsung. I think it's the Rugged. It's the Shield Portable Solid State. Super great quality, small, fast, and we put all of our files on it.
Currently, the 4 terabyte is going for $265. Usually that's $500. So that's a great deal. We both just got brand new hard drives because we go through hard drives like crazy. Another one is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal. Now, personally, we do not have this. We have played with it and we really like it. It's a good deal right now at $89, usually $140.
The DJI Air 3 drone is on sale for $1,200, about $300 off. This is a great little drone to get everything you need. They get better and better over the years.
That's what we're using now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've gotten some amazing shots on that. Really like that drone. The GoPro Hero 13 Black. We have the GoPro Hero 12. I know the 13's even better. It came out right after we got our 12, which is probably why we got a good deal on the 12. But the 13 is on sale right now too for save $60. So it's going for about $340. But that is a really, really cool camera. We love ours, but that's even like take it up a notch. Sony is having a huge sale on a lot of their cameras. So like the A7 IV is on sale, the A7 III,
our camera, the A7S III is on sale.
We love that camera. That's $300 off. Cameras and lenses don't get discounted a whole lot very often, especially lenses because they last forever. These are good deals. So if you're looking to buy a new camera, highly recommend checking these out.
Yeah.
We use the Sony A7S III, but we've checked out a lot of the other Sony cameras. There's some good deals, so go out there and check it out. For our Sony lenses, we have all G Masters. So we have the 24 to 70 2.8, the 16 to 35 2.8, and then the 70 to 200 f4.
Yeah, which are all amazing lenses, and they're all on sale right now. So we'll put all the links down below if you are interested in buying a camera. It is a big investment, but saving just a little bit helps a lot.
It's an investment.
Yeah. Well, our tripod that we absolutely love is on sale, and it is a stinking expensive tripod. It's by Peak Design. If you're in the market for a good travel size tripod, this one is sturdy. I haven't found anything wrong with it. We love it.
Yeah, we had another tripod that I absolutely hated using, but this one, we finally bit the bullet on it last year, and it's carbon fiber. It's super lightweight, packs really small. Everything we have by Peak Design has been great quality, and this tripod has no exception.
Yeah. Some other noteworthy things, Apple AirTags are on sale, and we actually found, thanks to our friend Benj, this little camera mount that you can hide the AirTag in. So in case your camera gets stolen, you still have an AirTag on it and the person doesn't know it, which is pretty cool.
He had a really cool story. His Leica was stolen in Norway. Go watch that video. But it made us go out there and instantly buy mounts for our camera. So just in case it's stolen, we can track it down. AirTags are on sale. Those are things that we stick. We stick them in our checked luggage. We have one on Kramer. We have one in our truck. We have one on our keychain. We have spent a small fortune in AirTags, but it's actually kind of saved our sanity a little bit. So
did you make Kramer swallow it?
I'm not going to say where it's on Kramer. Also, Grammarly is another one we use. It is 50% off right now. A lot of these places are just going to be running sales through the entire holiday season. Strava has a sale. We use Strava for hiking and biking and all too.
If you're a video editor, Firecut is on sale right now, which helps us like cut down these videos. It cuts all the all the blank spaces, everything. It's a really cool plugin for Adobe.
Our GPS navigation system in our truck is on sale on Amazon, but it's on sale other places too. So you don't have to buy from Amazon. It has iOverlander built in. It has Yelp built in. It has all sorts of these really cool features. The navigation has been spot on. We've downloaded the North American and Central American and South American maps into the GPS system. So we have complete navigation no matter where we are on or off the grid. That is on sale right now. It's a good buy. It also integrates nicely with the Garmin InReach Mini 2, which is our SOS communication device, satellite enabled. So if you are way off the grid, you can hit the SOS button and help will come. It may take, an hour. It may take 8 days, depending on where you are in the world. But because it has satellite, no matter where you are, it's gonna contact emergency dispatch no matter where you're at. So that's amazing, and it's on sale, and it's expensive usually. But now that it's on sale, I'd say anybody you know who travels or enjoys the outdoors, get them one of them if they don't have it already.
Look, there's a ton on sale right now, and I'm sure that we have missed some, but you can go to the list, check it all out. Otherwise, let us know in the comments if there's something that we should be aware of so we can go snag it too.
I always feel bad pushing things about like, go buy this, but it really is a chance to save money. Instead of like buying things you don't need, I want to say maybe the stuff that you know you need, go buy it for less money. That's how I'm looking at Black Friday and the holiday season. All right. Happy shopping, friends.
See you guys. For behind the scenes and extra content, you can head on over to our Patreon community. Otherwise, be sure to follow on Instagram or like and subscribe here. It really helps creators like us.